When it comes to 3D printing, resin printers provide higher quality printing results. However, the current SLA 3D printers on the market are either too expensive or require a steep learning curve. That's why we made Paladin, an all-metal SLA 3D printer that is simple and easy to use right out of the box, starting from only $299. It is made entirely of aluminum alloy for lightweight and strength. Its automatic leveling system makes printing prep easy. The auto refill resin adds speed and convenience. And its built-in air purifier eliminates bad odors and keeps the printing environment safer. In addition to its user-friendly features, Paladin uses a dual Z-axis design for high precision, accurate printing, and reliable consistency. We provide 3 unique types of resins: standard, touch, and castable. Now you can have more options for your printings. Whether you are a beginner or pro, you will find Paladin is super easy to use. Simply drag the printing file to the USB drive, plug it to the printer, press the start button, and it is all set. Then watch your creation come to life. With Paladin, anyone can begin 3D printing today and achieve incredible results for design, prototyping, artwork, or fun. Let's make it together.